Hey everyone, welcome back. This is one of the easiest, fastest, and one of the prettiest makeup looks that I go for whenever I'm in a hurry and I don't have the time to be blending eyeshadows too much. I can do it in a couple of minutes, and I think that it looks very well put together. If you want to do it dark, you can do more layers. If you want it to do lighter, you can do less. It's just one of my favorites. I love it, so I decided to share it with you guys. I'm going to start by applying the color Plum in the Caviar Sticks from Laura Mercier. I have a review if you wanted to check it out. I mean, I do love them. They're waterproof and they are long lasting. They do not crease. So what I'm doing here is applying about 3 layers to create the depth that I want for today. I am applying it with a flat shader brush. This is by Lexi, and I will have the numbers of the brushes and descriptions in the description box down below, because if you want to see the kind of brush that I would use, then I'll have the description if you don't have these brushes. Then I'm going to take a blending brush. This is a small blending brush. It is a synthetic fibers, so this way it won't really actually pick up the product. It's just going to blend it into the area where you want the color. So after that, that's pretty much it. It looks pretty simple, but once it's done, it looks very pretty in my opinion. Then I'm going to take the same color Plum and I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. This way it will be kind of a continuous line from the top lid area. So I'm applying it and I am blending it at the same time. I love to apply this kind of product or this in specific by Laura Mercier in my lower lash line, because as I mentioned before, it's waterproof and it won't move throughout the day. So I don't have to check myself and make sure that I don't have anything looking kind of funky in my lower lash line, even when I have the worst allergy days. Then I am going to apply a little bit of mascara. And I'm also applying the color Rose Gold from Laura Mercier in the inner corner. Now, if you don't have this one, you can use a highlighter, whatever you use for highlight. That will work, but it does give you an extra something. It kind of separates your eyes, as you can see right there. And it gives that touch that you need when you are going to play with just one eyeshadow. So I would absolutely recommend to try to add something to highlight the inner corner to make it wearable, pretty, and I don't know, just make your eyes look bigger even with a darker eyeshadow. So I'll have all the products in the description box down below.